What's up, everybody? It is time to celebrate love. Can you feel the love in the air? Today we're going to be making food for lovely couples to celebrate Valentine's Day. Now, I know you guys heard of chicken and waffles. I'm going to make something like that, but y'all know I kick stuff up levels above levels. Today, we ain't making chicken and waffles. We're making fried lobster tails and waffles. But check this out. Our waffle is gonna have lobster meat, cheddar cheese, bacon, and I'm gonna hit it with some green onions and corn. So if I was you guys, I would not go anywhere. Stick around. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is make waffle mix from scratch. And I know some of y'all like to use that ain't your mama, but this ain't your mama. This Chef Jerod. You can take it and run with it. So what I'm gonna do now is make a savory waffle mix. But instead of just using flour, I'm gonna add cornmeal as well. It's gonna give it a nice crunch. So I'm gonna take about 2.5 cups of flour, add it to here, right? And then the cornmeal I told you guys, man, this brings waffle mix to a whole nother level. Trust me, I'm gonna add the cornmeal to that. And then, of course, I have some baking powder. You can't use that without baking powder. So I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of baking powder to my mix. Then, of course, I'm making butter using buttermilk for this. I'm gonna add some buttermilk to my waffle mix, guys. And then I like to always season my waffle mix just with salt and pepper, just basic first, and then I add to it. I like to build flavors. You guys already know, we don't season here, we build flavors. So I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of salt, because this is a savory one. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of fresh ground black pepper. Okay, I'm gonna crack a couple eggs, put that in there. Man, this is looking good already, guys. Smelling good too. All right, now that's 2 eggs. Then I told y'all, this is a savory waffle. Don't get scared now, because I'm about to add some different type of ingredients. I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of cinnamon, just to give it a little bit of spice or a little bit of kick. And then I have some corn. You can get it fresh off the cob. Frozen corn works as well. This is frozen corn. It's going in, guys. Nice corn for my waffle mix. And then I'm gonna add some cheddar cheese to that. Nice cheddar cheese. And then I'm gonna kick it up. Y'all ready for this? I'm about to kick it up levels above levels. Y'all know what this is right here? Oh man, this is lobster meat. Chef, you really putting lobster meat in waffle mix? I'm putting lobster meat in waffle mix. And next, guys, I'm gonna take some bacon, right? I took some bacon, baked it in the oven. Y'all see it right here. What I'm gonna do is get ready and chop this bacon, because when you chop the bacon and you add it to the mix, it makes it so much better. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, is take that chopped bacon, because everything is better with bacon. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna take the bacon, chop up my bacon, guys, and then I'm gonna add the bacon to my mix. Hey, listen, I know you guys, it don't take much, right? I've been doing this for years. I can chop bacon with my eyes closed. So what I'm gonna do now is mix all this together, and then I'm gonna chop some green onions and add it to that. So you guys stick around. All right, so look, man, this is looking great. Got the mix going on. Now what I'm getting ready to do, I'm gonna add some green onions to this, because it's gonna make it so much more better. So I'm gonna take my green onions, gonna add my green onions to the mix. Man, this is looking so good. This lobster meat, the corn, and then, guys, got some maple syrup. Now you can't get that fake stuff. You got to get the real maple syrup. Gonna add about a tablespoon of that, and our waffle mix is ready to go. Got a little bit of everything in there: lobster, bacon, corn, green onions. Man, this is gonna be great. So what I'm gonna do is meet you guys over by the waffle machine. Okay, stay right there. All right, so what I like to do last is add a tablespoon of melted butter, but this is 2 tablespoons, so I'm gonna add my melted butter. And I like to add that last so you get that nice buttery flavor when you're making your waffles. You guys see this? Man, this is looking so good. Now, what I'm gonna do next is spray my pan, right? You gotta make sure you can oil it down with some butter, or you can spray it. I'm electing to spray it. Get it in there real generously, because you don't want it to stick, all right? Then we're gonna take this awesome waffle mix that you and I made, that you guys helped me make with the lobster and all that good stuff. We're gonna take that mix and we're gonna add it right into the waffle machine. You guys ready for this? Oh yes, the bacon, the waffle, the cheese. You guys hear that? Man, this is looking so good. Now, this is what I like to do right before I close it, because I'm getting excited. I gotta get in my stance. And by the way, y'all check out, I'm dressed for the occasion. All red, just for you, baby. All right, so we're gonna take some of this cheese, right? And just sprinkle it over the waffle like that. Then we're gonna take some of that bacon and we're gonna sprinkle it over the waffle just like that. And then we're gonna take some of this lobster and we're gonna sprinkle it over the waffle just like that. And then we're gonna close the waffle machine. Now, while this waffle is doing what it do, marinating, and got me salivating, marinating and salivating, we're gonna go and fry some lobster tails. So while that's going, I'm gonna meet you guys over by the fryer. Man, I told y'all to get smell-o-vision. It's smelling so good in here. Camera guy don't even, he just want to eat the waffle. He ready to, but check this out. We're gonna fry these lobster tails. So what I'm gonna do now, y'all know one of my favorite seasonings, and check this out. This is a great movie for y'all to watch since y'all making dinner for two or brunch for two. Go ahead and watch some Bad Boys and get you a little bit of this Mike Lowry seasoning right here, all right? I'm gonna hit my lobster tails with the Mike Lowry just lightly because it's all about the seafood. And then I'm gonna take my lobster tails, right? I'm gonna dip them in that buttermilk. Actually, this is buttermilk, egg, and I hit it with some hot sauce, okay? I'm gonna dip it in there, and then I'm gonna take it. This is cornmeal and flour, 50-50. I'm gonna take that in there, and I'm gonna drop it in there just like that. Make sure you get it nice and coated, okay, guys? Man, this is looking good. I cannot wait to drop it in this fryer. So I'm gonna take that, set it down right here, because I wanna bread this one as well. So I'm gonna take that one, dip it in the buttermilk and the egg wash, then take it to this cornmeal and flour mixture. Guys, I am telling y'all, this is gonna be so good. You wanna make a dinner for two, for you and your lovely couple on Valentine's Day? Nice and simple. You can eat this for lunch, brunch, or breakfast. You see how I get all that? All right, I'm gonna take these lobster tails, man, and drop it into the fryer. Y'all see that? Whee! Swim, baby, swim. Yes. One more time, I'm gonna drop that right in. Now, those lobster tails and that waffle is gonna all be ready at the same time. So when I come back, I'm gonna show y'all how to put this together. All right, camera guy, lobster frying. This is done, I'm done salivating and this done marinating, right? So what I'm gonna do is take this waffle, flip it over, and guys, look at that. Look at those lobsters, look at the cheese, the bacon. You guys see that? Man, this is ridiculously delicious looking. So I'm gonna take this out right here, and then what I'm gonna do is go over there, pull those lobster tails out of the fryer, and you and I, or you and your significant other, gonna sit down and enjoy a nice lobster and waffle meal, all right? Do not go anywhere. Woo! You guys see that? You see that, camera guy? You see that lobster right there? What we're gonna do is we're gonna take it out, right? We're gonna take it out of the fryer. Oh man, you gotta be kidding me, chef. All that juicy lobster meat. Man, what we're gonna do is we're gonna let this drain, guys, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to put this dish together. I cannot wait, and I know you can't either. Man, oh man, oh man. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Love Day. Look, I'm in all red. Check me out. All right, we got all red plates. It's all about the love, baby. All right, so what I'm gonna do is take these waffles, right? And I'm gonna set it right here. And then I'm gonna take a lobster tail and put it right there. And then I'm gonna take some maple. Remember that maple, guys? We're gonna drizzle it over the lobster just like that, guys. And then I'm gonna take some more waffles and put one right here and another one right here, guys. And then I'm gonna take some cheddar cheese and just drizzle it over it like that, right? And then I'm gonna take some corn and just drizzle it over just like that, guys. And then I'm gonna take some bacon and then I'm gonna just let it rain on that thing like that. Y'all with me so far? Then I'm gonna take a piece of this lobster meat and put it right here. And then I'm gonna take a piece of that lobster meat and put it right here. Y'all with me so far? Man, put lobster meat all around the plate. Then I'm gonna take this lovely piece of lobster meat, man, look at that lobster tail right there. So then, what I'm gonna do now, camera guy, is take some more syrup and just drizzle it over just like that. Man, this is looking so good, man. Sprinkle some green onions all around the plate. And then I got some beautiful microgreens. Because it's Valentine's Day, you gotta be special, right? And I'm gonna set that right on top, just like that. Man, take these right here and just go all around the plate. And all I'm gonna say to you guys, happy Valentine's Day. This is Master King Chef Jerod. Man, look at that lobster, look at that. I'm just gonna set it right there. You take that to the table, and it's all about the love, baby. That is my waffle with lobster, cheddar cheese, bacon, corn, green onions, maple syrup. And then I took that lobster tail, deep fried it with buttermilk, cornmeal. Oh man, topped with bacon. This is mind blowing. Hey, I just want to wish you guys a happy Valentine's Day. And I want you to sit back, relax, watch some Bad Boys, because it's all about the Mike Lowry, and I love you guys. So check it out. I love you guys, and I really appreciate you guys. All right, guys, this thing is looking so good. I cannot wait to sink my teeth into it. Hello, camera guy. Hey, jeez, man. Okay, you gonna be able to taste it. Just relax a little bit. Let me go through my motions, all right? And then you gonna be able to get a little bit of it. But check this waffle out. We got the tower. We got lobster meat. We have the bacon, the corn, the green onions. We made that waffle mix. We split it with 50-50 flour and cornmeal just to give it some texture. Then we deep fried those lobster tails in that buttermilk and hot sauce. Man, you talking about flavor. Then we put some maple sugar on top of it and drizzled that bacon. Man, oh man, oh man, I cannot wait to sink my teeth into this. I don't even want to mess it up, but I gotta do it, right, camera guy? I gotta do it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and I don't want to mess it up. All right, so I take some of this down like this here. Man, this is looking so good, y'all. I'm gonna take some of that. Oh man, look at that lobster meat inside that. Look at that lobster meat inside that waffle. Man, you talking about building flavors. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna take some syrup and just pour it over my waffle like that there. Take some of that maple. I will never, ever lie to y'all. That is the best waffle I ever had in my life, like for real. It's so complex with flavor. The buttermilk waffle, the bacon, the corn gives it that crunch and that sweetness, but then the green onion cuts it and gives it a little bit of heat, but a nice earthy flavor. Man, you talking about so good. Let me get some of this waffle. Let me get some of this lobster meat. Look at that beautiful lobster right there. Man. This is a perfect balance of savory and sweet. Listen, guys, you can do this for breakfast, you can do this for lunch, you can do this for brunch, or you can do this for dinner. You and your boo. This is so good, guys. You guys already know. That is fire right there. That is straight fire. I'd like to thank my 42,000 subscribers. You guys are awesome. Yay! I appreciate you guys for subscribing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And then check out my lovely website, www.masterkingchefjerod.com. I won't let you down. Remember, guys, always keep God first in your life and everything will fall into place. Thank you guys for watching. God bless. All right, guys, so I got my wonderful, awesome pancake batter. Man, this is not pancake batter. This is waffle batter. We'll be right back. For waffles, I know y'all can't wait. But the first thing I need to do is plug up the doggone waffle. Come on, camera guy. You got to plug in the waffle machine, man.